Hello po, kamusta? My name is Felipe H. Galgo Jr. I'm a former seafarer for 13 years na naging housekeeper, bar waiter, bartender sa barko. I am from Philippines and now I live in Saskatchewan, Canada. I want to share with you the opportunity in the online digital business as you do if you have time and freedom and financial freedom to your family. Tulad mo na napanood ko lang din ito sa isang ads while watching the family of Neil and Kurt Nullias because I was motivated to see life changing, to quit their job and be a full-time mom and dad to her son. Kaya ngayon, kumikita na rin ako sa online business na ito. You have only 1 or 2 hours to your smartphone or laptop kasi everything runs by automation. 90% of the job is in the system, kaya kahit nasaan ka pa or nasa bakasyon ka or you have a multiple job, you can have a massive online result. Ang maganda pa rito, hindi kang mag-aalok sa mga kakilala mo or sa family mo. Dahil ang part na yon ay gagawin na ng system na ito. The business is legitimate, transparent, and registered.